I do need one more rod though. I need my frog rod because it might just be going on. Our temperature's like almost 7 degrees. Maybe I'll use one of them Todd Castledine popping perches if I got any. There's one right there. I don't know if I should use a...
You ain't got a duck?
Huh?
You got a duck?
I do have a duck, as a matter of fact.
There's something boiled over right there.
Oh, whoa. That's crazy. There it is. Ah! What the heck?
What's going on?
They're grabbing it, but I don't know if they're just little or. There's one right there. Damn, I missed him. And he came back, got it again. All right, there's a good one. That's a good one. That's a real good one. Yeah.
Yep.
Get one?
Mm-hmm. Fucking right off the bat, too.
Hell yeah. Put him in a live well. Get a good one? Got it. That's a good one. Yeah.
Water's awesome, but also scares the shit out of me every time they come up.
Choked that sucker. Yeah. Talking about choking, look at that. That sucker choked
Trying to
it.
swallow it. I know, it's crazy.
Did that hit yours?
It bumped it, I missed it. Twice. I need to slow down.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna reel them real slow. So you need to put on a chatterbait. Look at this, good God. 4-pounder after 4-pounder after 4-pounder. Oh man, this is crazy.
You got one in you?
saw her right there.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
Oh, he came. Oh, he didn't come off. It's still good. Just fighting fish. Mad. Look at him mad. Little sucker fight. I ain't that little. Ain't that big. Good one. Getting smaller.
Not the way it's supposed to go.
Look at the fin on that one. Look at that.
Oh, it's going backwards.
Well, it's like it's all separated.
Yeah.
See how that fin's all connected? It's got like 3 fingers on it.
That's what it looked like in Perky. You tell you.
Power plant lake.
Yeah. 3 eyes.
Got it. Do you feel it tipping the top of the grass?
No, I don't.
Some mean suckers right here. Got no give up in them.
Spit out another shed.
Oh man, that sucker not slacking a line. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh yeah.
I'm talking about it. Whole thing pulling drag. Oh yeah. These things are healthy. That's a 6. Oh, that's a 6-pounder for sure. Look at that. Look, she been spawning. All right, me and my buddy Jared showed up here this morning at Lake of the Pines, and it's full on spawn. Water temperature back here is 69 degrees, back of this creek. I knew there was a drain going in. Pretty much went straight to it and started fishing the edge of the bushes. Then we saw them schooling, chasing shad. And once that started, it was pretty much a free-for-all. I'm throwing a jackhammer 3/8 ounce white and chartreuse chatterbait with a skinny dipper white trailer. And that's what I'd say 75 to 80% of the fish were caught on. And I'm throwing it on a Denali covert spinning rod, spinner bait rod. I think this line's 15 pound Bass Pro Shops Pro Qualifier 2 reel. Really like this reel. It's a really good reel. But we're fixing to pull them out, take a weight of them, show them to you, and let them go to go do their business. Got 22 pounds, 0.15. Biggest one weighed 545. All this happened in about an hour and a half. You got one? Good one?
No, I don't know.
Sound like a good one.
Yeah, got the drag too far out.
That's a good one.
Shit! Again, that's the second one I lost on square bill like that.
Okay, look, let me show you. I'm gonna tell you one thing. Think of how you're doing like this. Don't do that. Keep that rod bent, swept to the side. Ain't like this. You get too much. Your rod's too high. Okay. Sweep it to the side and keep constant pressure on it. And if you need to change direction with it, sweep the rod over like this.
So come over to keep the pressure.
Yeah.
'Cause that's the problem when I move that.
69 degrees. Man, it is going on. Dudes are in full-on reproductive mode right now. Honeymoon night at the plaza. Honeymoon suite. Round bed, mirrors on the ceiling. Going on.
Heart-shaped hot tub.
Heart-shaped hot tub.
Green, yellow. Boston. Go on, Boston.
Go on. That's what I thought.
Don't come back. Don't come back.